Family, it's been a spell, and we left off riding the train back to pick up the supply of dry rub and bring it into the old township of Ballahack.
Please tell me we didn't lose the pineapple. Please tell me that we still have the pineapple. I was saying, please tell me we still have it. Huh? Do I want any more? No, I would love to sell it for a price. Oh God. Did you get money for it?
No.
Where is it right now?
Oh, it's in my office.
Oh, okay.
We own that.
Oh.
You want some in my office?
I want to go, I gotta take this dry rub
Oh, is right.
to the woman.
Oh, so where do you need the pineapple?
Huh?
Do you need the pineapple also to the woman?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
The woman?
Yeah.
She doesn't like the pineapple.
Oh.
Though the pineapple is a point of getting people excited to elect her, re-elect her. So she should be down with the pineapple.
Oh, you gonna go sell the dry rub?
Yeah. I might do something nefarious in the process. Is the woman available?
No, she is currently meeting with someone.
Oh, well, I have a meeting. I have a meeting with her because I have something that I need to deliver to her.
If I could request you check your guns at the door.
Oh. Ooh. There's a lot of guns in there.
Yeah, well, most of them are for the poker players.
Where do I sign in so I can meet with the woman?
North.
Mayor needs to get there. Oh, yes.
Oh, it's Mr. Mayor. It's Mr. Woman.
All right, name?
Lance Gooseman.
Oh, Mr. Gooseman. Oh, I was just talking about you, Mr.
Yeah, I had to go north, and the produce has been delivered.
I've heard things up north are a little questionable. Do you want them behind the case? Would that make you feel safer?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Or, I mean, you can put them in on the bottom. Because no one has those
In the
in.
middle? Okay.
Yeah, because no one has those.
So I know these are yours.
Yeah. Gooseman. Lance Gooseman. Does that mean I can go,
Yes.
Madam Mayor,
The goose is loose.
The goose is loose.
Come on in.
Mr. Gooseman, it's lovely to see you.
It is a
again.
pleasure, as always.
Please have a seat.
Oh.
Can I get you a brandy?
Oh, I would love one.
Edwin, would you get him a brandy? So, what business do you have today with me?
I have.
Oh, were you able to find your funding?
Well-
My husband, Mr. Edwin, was telling me about this.
Well, he did say that there was some funding coming from your direction.
Yes, sir.
More substantial than the bank's funding. You know, the bank currently has 1% invested
Yes, sir.
in the Field Flavor Company. You guys are like 15% invested. So your return on it is much better than the bank's return.
Were you
And,
able to come up with the down payment?
well, I haven't been paid by the town council yet, or Mr. Woman, because he needed me to bring the supply so you can get it into the general stores. And
Here's the supplies.
there's the supply.
Is it true that makes food good?
It does. It makes it very good.
Mr. Parker, do you remember, Mr. Walter, do you remember a few nights ago when we were all sitting around and I brought out some dinner for you folks?
Oh, yes.
You remember how tasty it was?
Yes, that was
It was Mr. Gooseman's.
It tastes like good.
So I think, don't you think that would be real lovely in the general store for buying?
I can't believe it's not in there already.
Well, Mr. Gooseman's been working hard all day trying to get there.
I had some business to take care of, and I had to send people to go and get the remainder of the starting amount and deliver it to me.
This is understandable.
So you're gonna work on, you're gonna take down and
It's not easy getting
You gonna
the
do
business
that?
off the ground.
And we'll go take this to the
general store.
I'll take my brandy with me.
Don't drink too much.
And I lost Edmund. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, sorry.
Five-way duel! Five-way duel!
But in something like this with a five-way duel, you know what happens? Shenanigans.
Oh, yeah. Did you shoot him in the back? Looking for a business partner on a sound business plan here. The partner here's got this dry rub. He's got to come up with, I think it's about $500 to get it stocked in the general store. The bank's already put up 1,500 of it, and the mayor's office is going to cover the other 8,000.
Alright. So how much of a mine do you need?
I think 500, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good job, good job.
But the more you invest, the better a return you get.
I'll have a word with the bank.
Well, the bank has invested $1,500 for a 1% return.
Sir.
I know you're a businessman.
Sir, I don't keep cash on hand aside from what I'm giving out because that's proposed.
Propose.
Don't you lie!
All my money's in the bank. Miss Mirabelle usually handles the finance. However, she's come down with the grip right now.
The grip?
So I don't have any money.
Because you're poor?
No, because everything is mostly because I've been a role player, so I've never set up an account.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in there and just say that you're going to forward the other 500.
I'll go with him to make it seem more legit.
I think unless you have. All right, how much do you need?
Give it to this fine gentleman right here.
Thank you, Mr. Buddy Rhodes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 500.
We'll walk over there and go stock it.
Yeah, I have a question for you. Would you be willing to take
The bank and the woman have saw fit to
the pineapple?
pay
All
for
hail
the
the
covering
pineapple.
of the stocking fee of the
Field
Old
flavor.
Western barbecue dry rub field flavor.
Okay. Would you be interested in any of
Oh, we're good?
Yeah, that's it. You got room in there?
Yeah. Where?
What's
What is it? Oh, is that the rest of the? So I was looking at putting some money in the bank. Well, putting something in the bank. I put that in the wrong spot. What is this worth?
Mr. Matt? 3,000? 3,000. Yeah. Did you just give that to your union boys? Or you going for it?
It was handed to me. I didn't shoot anyone.
From a dead body?
No, from a live body.
What's the last name on the account?
I don't have an account yet.
Let me for your slip.
Oh, Gooseman. Oh, real name.
Got you.
Bennett.
$3,000. I got you, bud.
Now, you guys have 1% in the Field Flavor Company. You know, the bank has the ability to put money in things. So if you'd like to increase your return to 15%,
We'll see how we're feeling at the end of the day.
if you want to pad my account with more,
We'll see what happens on the next day. For your donation.
sure. I was like, do I want to put that in the bank or I don't want to take it home with me? Now, money can be turned into other things, right? Like bonds. And what is the highest of valued bond that the bank has?
1,000.
1,000. Are there still railroad bonds?
There are, I believe there's 500.
500. Which is a better return? Well, bonds don't really get, Which would be a more safer bet? Because if the railroad goes belly up, then my investment is.
They're still be, backed by the FDIC. It's all be taken care of.
I don't think bonds can be diluted.
No.
So if you $500 into a bond,
Can I get a 500 out of what I put in? I want to keep 1,000 in, but I'd like a $500 railroad bond, and then 1,500 in bank bonds.
proud owner of a bar of gold.
A bar of gold?
A bar of gold.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
$500,000? There you go, sir.
Family, it's been an exciting day. Stick around and let's see what else happens as the day winds down.